People is pleased to present 40 Days 40 Fintechs, an initiative under its Include Everyone program, as it continues to lead the way in advocacy for the creation and dissemination of technology that enables financial inclusivity. The 40 Days 40 Fintechs is shining a spotlight on those that are breaking down digital barriers and bringing millions more on the continent into the transactional space and transforming their lives for the better.
Bob Moses Oyuru are my names, the founder of Cytrone. Our product is Payclide, and with Payclide as a user, we have options as a user. You can transfer money to your friends and family, you can pay bills, you can access banking financial services, and also as a merchant, you can accept payments from mobile money and cards, and also be able to settle your received income into the bank without necessarily having to travel there. Payclide can be accessed on both a mobile app and the website, www.payclide.com. Payclide services are free when it comes to transfer of money, and we only charge a small percentage when it comes to settling of funds into the bank. Payclide has a partner with mobile telecom companies such as MTN and Airtel. We've also partnered with KCB Bank and have integrations with companies like InterSwitch for the bank settlements. The 40 Days and 40 Fintechs have helped us a lot in putting our brand out there. Most of startup companies don't get the audience that they expect to get, but the 40 Days and 40 Days and 40 Fintechs have given us that visibility within the media and within the community at large. Level 1 principles, definitely we have them integrated. We're using them. Things like tiered KYC has really helped not just us as Payclide, but the economy at large. I'll give you an example of agents. Initially, telecoms needed the agents to have certain kind of documentations for them to have the agent's business, which most of these who are individual users couldn't provide. These included trading licenses and bank accounts and certificates of registrations. But with the implementation of the tiered KYC, you realize that today we have several agents transferring money for people because the number of necessitated documents was reduced to either a national identity card or just a trading license, and it has really given especially the women a boost in their financial health. Women inclusion, we take it seriously. It's something that needs to be addressed, and we have addressed it as Payclide. First and foremost, with agents, with the introduction of agency as a part of our model of service, this gives self-employment to women, and which gets them inclusive in one way or another. Linking banks brings bank closer to the women through a mobile phone, and I think this has done a tremendous job and is still doing it to improve the women's life when it comes to financial inclusion. Most of the challenges are brought in by the regulations, especially that are brought in by Bank of Uganda. Most of the fintech players may not be in position to afford, let's say, the fees that are imposed on them when it comes to licenses, and nevertheless, we still have opportunities of partnering with banks, which gives us an opportunity to have our products launched out into the market.
40 Days 40 Fintechs is presented in proud partnership with Crossleg Technologies, Modus Box, Moduloop Foundation, and Level 1 Projects.